In this video, I will guide you how to make bold line in Word. Click on the insert and click on the shapes and click the line. Hold the control key and drag a straight line. So this line is looking too thin. So let's make it bold and professional in just few clicks. So for this, you need to right click and click on the shape format, and on the right side fill and line option will be open up. First, if you want to change the color of the line, then click on this the color box and change the color of the lines. And here you can make your line bold. For example, you need to increase the thickness. I have increased the thickness to 3 pt, and you can also use the transparency to make it bold or thin as you like it. So if you need even thicker lines, you can increase the width as much as you can require it. So that's it, your line is new bold. Hit like if this saved your time. So I hope with this tutorial you have learned that how to make bold line in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.